In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unsupported image type in Google Slides, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project. One hitch that can occur is encountering an image format that Google Slides doesn't instantly recognize. This issue is quite common, but fortunately, there's a straightforward workaround to ensure your images display perfectly. First, you'll want to identify the unsupported image type. Typically, Google Slides work seamlessly with common formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. If your image is in a lesser-known format such as TIFF or BMP, this might be the root of your problem. For this fix, we'll need to convert your image to a more universally accepted format, like JPEG or PNG. To begin with, open up your preferred web browser and visit an online image converter. Many free tools are available, and a quick search will provide popular options. Look for one that specifically converts images into JPEG or PNG formats. Once you have your chosen tool ready, follow the site's prompts to upload your unsupported image. Uploading files might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the file size. Once uploaded, you'll need to select your desired output format, which should be either JPEG or PNG. These formats ensure higher compatibility with Google Slides. Click Convert and wait for the site to process your image. Once the conversion is complete, download the new file to your computer. Make sure to save it in a location that is easily accessible since you will need to upload it to Google Slides next. Now head over to your Google Slides presentation. To insert your newly converted image, click on the Insert tab found at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Image and then choose Upload from Computer. A File Explorer box will pop up, allowing you to locate and select your converted image file. After the image is uploaded, it should now properly display on your slide without any errors. Occasionally, you may need to adjust the image's position or size to suit your slide's layout. This is easily done by clicking the image and dragging the corners to scale it, or dragging the image all together to realign it. Converting and inserting images ensures your presentation looks professional and smooth without any technical glitches. While this method primarily addresses unsupported formats, always keep an eye on the image quality post-conversion to ensure it meets your presentation's standards. By following these steps, you can confidently handle any issues with unsupported image types in Google Slides, leaving you more time to focus on the content of your presentation itself.